It's so great to have you back at the QVC. Have we got a special for you today? It is a cookbook this time, a QVC family cookbook, and it's just so precious. It's full of hundreds of recipes that you can cook at your home, and it is a wonderful deal today. It's only 3 easy payments of $9.95, and this cookbook could be yours. You will be blown away by all the special recipes that are inside, waiting for you. I'm going to show you some of the recipes right now. Let's start with something special. It's spinachy and it has noodles. Let's try it. Half a pound of egg noodles. They'll just take about 5 minutes. In a bowl, you're going to need a cup of cottage cheese, a cup of sour cream, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of grated Parmesan. And then you give it a good mix. Add those cooked and drained noodles and give it a stir. This is so much fun. And one thing I gotta tell you is this book, the texture of it is so wonderful. It's like petting a Siamese kitten. I just love this cookbook. Pour that into a prepared glass baking dish. I don't know if you've seen this before, but it's creamed spinach. You need to heat up 2 boxes of that spinach, and then you need to spread it right on top. And here it is. I just gotta tell you, the only thing I could really cook is ice cubes. And this book makes the steps so simple. Now you just have to stick this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Wow, it actually looks like something that would be served from the kitchen of a stately home. And it tastes stately as well. I'd like to say thank you to Terry from Florida, who put this recipe in our cookbook. Did you know all the recipes come from viewers like you, as well as special guests of the show and members of our QVC family, which includes me. I've got a recipe in there. It's for Jim's Hairy Rump Roast. It's a rump roast with a pineapple glaze and shredded coconut on top. So much fun. One bite will put a kick in your step and you'll be dancing the Watusi. Thank you so much, Terry. I think we may have a caller. Hello?
Well, hey there, Jimmy. I just love you and your channel.
And who do we have here?
It's Debbie from New Jersey.
Well, it's great to hear you, Debbie. Do you like this QVC cookbook?
I love it so much. I love it so much that I bought 21 copies for all my grandkids. Even my 2-year-old's going to be reading this book. And guess what, Jimmy? I've even got a recipe in that book.
You do? And what page is that on?
84.
Okay. Let's see. Could it be the tasty tortellini salad?
It sure is.
That sounds amazing. I think we might have to make that now. Thanks for calling, Debbie. Take care now. I need to start by chopping and blanching some broccoli. I also need to chop half a green pepper. You need a bag of frozen cheese tortellini, and you need to boil it according to directions. It's only 5 ingredients. Let's go! In a bowl, tortellini, the broccoli, the green pepper, a cup of Monterey Jack, and 8 ounces of Italian dressing. Mix it all together. Then you just chill it until ready to serve. Debbie, you've done us proud. Thank you. Okay, I am just getting word that we have a new special happening. You can now get the QVC Cookbook for 3 easy payments of $4.95. But wait, that's not all. With every purchase, we are throwing in a monogrammed spatula with your initial. You just pay shipping and handling. And the last recipe we're going to try, if you have leftover mashed potatoes, you're going to need to try mashed potato salad. Grab a bowl. I've got about 4 cups of leftover mashed potatoes. Put those in the bowl. Chopped red onion, a couple green onions chopped, half a green pepper, and 1 stalk of celery, a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, tablespoon of yellow mustard, half cup of mayonnaise, half cup of relish, a tablespoon of pickle juice. I've got 4 hard-boiled eggs here. You just need to crush them in there. And combine it well. Looks great. Kind of like a store-brand potato salad. Let's sprinkle a little smoked paprika on there for color. Let it chill. Simply delicious. Thanks for joining me here on the QVC. And thanks, QVC Cookbook. It's been a lot of fun. Order yours now. Why did the mattress go to the doctor? It had a horrible case of spring allergies. QVC.